And maybe breaking news tremor say Ghana. Your cases are recorded close to 1,000. Into case na a shift here from 3,000 to 4,000. And there over 200 cases about the count. Into and I can say coronavirus about Ghana no 4,263. Into no you say 251 cases and about the count. Now this shows clearly say we are performing baby keka kono eni ya yenyan baby edu no yemfa politics into nchen eji we obi a won pese obeka ne kre eni ya yenyan Ghana for yesremo. Let's call a spade a spade. Sisi a baby a coronavirus na edu no enye unim de emeya ne say ende I saw a post the mate and they say I saw from Penyufo womoko share president during last month no womo ayomo adwen say ye ba bebie asori and so they are preparing to reopen church. Na me tell asem ne me say me man Ghana aden ye ho saa. I have an article in front of me. Article no daily guide for enatro. Na the omatro and say coronavirus churches prepare for reopening. Na tre say en sorry ayomo adwen say anan sorry say wo bi akatro mo say president eba be lifted ban no intino ye be sha say yakwa sorry. Now who read the article no from the newspaper daily guide newspaper now. Who read the article now? What must say? The bodies that were present were the Christian Council, the National Association of Charismatic and Christian Churches, Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference. Now, you see April, when I want call president or a president more guidelines be say woman these are guidelines na so. Now me nim say it is an assurance to these churches. Say yeah ba be asori no ana said and that's what I don't understand. But what share nsofu panyin a wo moko meeting na say most reverend Dr. Paul Boafo, Reverend Professor Yafrimpon Manson ono na o say ba Ghana Pentecost and the Charismatic Council na wo no na wo ye president. Mpenyufo bebre to say most Reverend Philip Name, Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, just say woman in na ekobi. When I say one more tears here. Yes, Remo. Today I was listening to City FM. Almost see Chrome and a woman beside Ghana for say. Almost City FM for one more say. Because Ochina and that may report na Saturday, yat say Ochina President Ebeba be addressing the nation. Rumors are going round. Say President Bema Yako back to Asori. Na and the City FM for Omonso ate na womuko okrum. Omoko okrum no mu bisa say yes ye ba bebie Asori. Yes say Asori na yes sanso e bebiem ama yakọ embra cases na e kosro. Ghana for Montreal adwen. Out of the number of people at City FM for an interview, and the majority of them said that it is a bad idea. Just like the way the president lifted the lockdown, I'm about to now have a podcast. Eka said it was a bad idea. No, we have seen what is happening now. Over 3,000 new cases since the time I lifted lockdown. No? Over 3,000 new cases. Why? Because Ghana for senior yetino. We don't just say you're lifting lockdown. No, the message it was supposed to send, no, it sends the wrong message to Ghanaians. Me say, even the president, Akufo-Addo, Nanka, ensemble wo ho yetumi reading na adwemu a na konman kasa beka say lockdown here me lefty there Ghana fo egumeni mu ase ne kre o ma mende Ghana Health Service ebegine enim se woni Ghana fo kasa won hu de wonka and then Ghana Health Service abasi sisi Ghana coronavirus cases na ye recording no kofum. We are recording over 200 cases a day. What tell me say cases ni kofum? How is it going down? Ana memi ni eni. Endra the cases were 4,000, I think 4,000 and something. And then over 251 cases and over 250 cases about the count. Into Ghana Health Service. Why what catch me say cases no kofum no? What are you telling me? And as I did Ghana Health Service for Akano, even the Ghana Medical Association today, I was watching City TV. The big issue. The Ghana Medical Association for information na Ghana Health Service for mano, it is not accurate. Even the researchers, one more yare ne ba, one more yen hwehwemu hu say we yare ni bi we confirmed case no. One more soon proof for babonte the kase Ghana Health Service in semna one more kana enya ne kre. So why is it that it is looking like we are massaging the fee? I say we are sending a false hope to Ghanaians. Meanwhile, that is not the case. I say ye babonte na ye be kasa tre Ghana fo a the ye can say mama hamo ho yare ne kra no sisiano ye record cases. I mean, if you say that to Ghanaians, how do you expect Ghanaians to respect the protocols Samoama? We are recording 300 500 cases a day, 300 cases a day, 200, but you come out and tell Ghanaians and say now there we are recording low cases, we've reached our peak. Now so when the Ghana Medical Association for even pharmacy for one more research, one more share ya ni mukra ababonte de kasa masa sa Ghana Health Service and some more can say ye do ye prick ni ye ndu baby ayenti munja asem na more can. Why is it that it looks like we are massaging us ye pampa Ghana phobia? Just tell us the truth. And then ye ho sa. Aden any ye sa. Ya really buy, you see, and this thing could have been prevented. Yes, I'll go back, I'll say it. It could have been prevented. And ya really buy ya ebedu Togo. And I'm sure say me ye de say Ghana young close your border so Ngrofo baba until be di matem o melodies fio. Te say send ya Ebola endu Ghana no endu. Sala ngrofo ka kire me o melodies fio endru. Ye twen ya ma yare ni be do 21 cases and sana ye close your borders. Inti e no se bin previous an. What was the essence? Unim say we be close border no. Inti ade na when close na ansa na yare no beba because yare na embrofofo anankrofo na fi abrochi e de be sai enne omo a wo mo de be sai kra no yankasa ye spread yare kra sen omo a wo mo de ba ekronim. So why didn't you close the border earlier on? And then one African country, Sisiano, make us 2 African countries pe ena ba ye kan 2 African countries ena woman record here. Yes, ba could be the Comoros Island or Seden ena Lesotho. Still, coronavirus no, they've not recorded any case of coronavirus. Lesotho. And do you know what Lesotho did? Lesotho who said Nigeria enya, Togo enya, Burkina Faso enya, Ivory Coast enya, and who said yare no ababedu abrochire ababedu ebibimaimu Africa na yare na ebedu Africa ye cases ni na ye nkrofo na difi abrochire bre eho na Lesotho for closing wo borders. You see that simple action from Lesotho, that simple action Lesotho took by closing their borders and that wo hu say yare no ebedu Africa no Atalende, Lesotho for they've not recorded any case, and they do normal things in their country. Say school our mobeko, sorry our mobeko because women close borders no. There is no case of Yariano Ewo Mukrum. they took proactive actions. Me be ye de president yes close borders ye twenya ma yare ne bedu 21 ansa na ye close borders ye yes anso ne kre president oye de obeye bia nipa de obeye ne den ade ento ye nda nti president de oye de obeye bia ana yare ne ko enimu a edu 21 na president o declare lockdown na fe kakran sa lockdown no na fe ya yene kakran sa na be 3 weeks in lockdown no ya yene be do 1000 ya yene be do 1000 ni enim say e do 1000 ne there because 21 cases we declare lockdown say do 1000 cases there obviously lockdown the hands the president are lifting lockdown no. I came here and said, lockdown ya lifty ya nsheni ya ebedi yewu. And then in the shortest time, we've quadrupled the cases, number of cases. See the timer, you did do the first 1,000. And then 4,000 and going. Just today, we've recorded over 251 cases. And you want me to be happy with this? And then I go online and I see, say, churches have been told us that I don't know. So when we go share president, the president, and I say, "Woba baby and so real said." But I go online and I see, say, I see an article by Daily Guide, a reputable news outlet in Ghana. Our moka say, churches are prepared so we be open. Me say, hey, Jama Ghana no, eh say ya grow. Are we serious? Masa, yare wenya you be politics o. He? Mami read the something a renowned journalist, Richard the Last Guy, a very renowned journalist. Ewa Ghana has said. Oposti adebi me pese me read na yehu ne se Ghana sebe mo amoti abochi ne kra monim Ghana yenye hwehwe o nkrofo 22 na ewu nkrofo beka oh and the cases no massa se nipa ba kokra ewu a it was preventable what se nipa ba kope na ewu kra na it was preventable bi de hye na ekono sebe mpre asa enye webusie ni bi nso si oh 22 pe enye webusie ni na ngasa 22 sebe manya me mensi na ngasa 22 no be 5 efi webusie man ka barista odi nse guti ati Richard Sky Etro Assembly or see no religious leader who means well for our people will in the face of escalating positive cases in Ghana be putting pressure on the government to reopen our centers of worship for mass gatherings. What's this? Even Rome is under lockdown and Mecca deserted under partial curfew. Asema walkani. Huh? Yesi uko Quran mua. Quran. Uko Quran ni mua. Wama throw wom say yare crazy still ye baby Mecca e mankrofo akọ. But ende yare we ya ebaye coronavirus a ebaye Mecca kra yatum. Rome yatum. Masa, yeah, we should take things seriously. You